First, visit bensexperience.com/hostinger and hit enter. After landing on this page or any other page on Hostinger website, go to Services, select Website Builder. Now scroll down to see these two plans. Right now, Hostinger offers premium web hosting, the premium plan and the business plan. From my experience, the premium plan is useless, especially for having an online store using Hostinger website builder. Why? Because here e-commerce features are not available, and with e-commerce feature, I mean you can't add a payment gateway. You can't add Stripe, you can't add PayPal, you can't add even cash on delivery. I will log in one of my Hostinger website to show you that. First, I will verify my subscription. As you can see, this is the plan. It's just premium. So now I will go in one of my online stores using Host Builder and go to settings, payments. As you see, ready to start selling online, you need to upgrade to the business plan in order to be able to add payments. Next to PayPal, if you click on connect, you see this upgrade window. Same thing for Stripe. You need to upgrade to be able to add Stripe payment gateway. So this turns this premium web hosting plan or website builder plan is useless. So your only option you can opt for is the business website builder plan. But at least you will be able to create up to 50 websites and you will get a free domain with this plan. And of course, the 30-day money back guarantee. Let's go with this business plan. Click on choose plan. And here select, in my case, I will go with just 12 months. And the subtotal is almost $60. Click on continue. Now I will register for a new Hostinger account. This is my email address and I will fill in my new password. And this is my new password. Click on register. Now let's fill in my billing address. Click on continue. And now let's jump to the payment method. Here I will pay using my credit card. I will fill in my name on card. After filling your payment method information, click on submit payment. Here I filled my bank verification SMS number. And just like that, as you can see, my payment is done. Let's go get started. And as you can see, they automatically sent me to the Hostinger AI website builder. I will return to the account dashboard. Click on hostinger.com. Click on login. And this is my new account. As you see, even I've opted for a website builder plan, I can still install a WordPress or create a WordPress website. And this is how to buy or sign up for Hostinger website builder. Welcome to dotcom builders. In this video, I will share with you how to find the Hostinger builder option in the Hostinger website. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. First, log in to your Hostinger account. Then go to websites. And from this websites page, you will see all the available web hosting plans on your account and also the available websites under each hosting plan. And next to your hosting plan, you will see this add website button. Click on it and you will see or you will find the Hostinger website builder option. Click on it. You will visit this page. Now you can create your new Hostinger AI, or your Hostinger website, and you can use AI to create your new website. Just fill in your brand name and also describe your website and hit create a website. You can also use pre-made templates to build your new website. These are the available templates. Click on select templates. Here you can personalize text and images faster with AI, or use this template as it is, or which means the original template. Click on use original template. And this is how to find the Hostinger Builder option in Hostinger website, and also how to create your website using pre-made templates. Welcome to this Hostinger AI website builder tutorial. In this video, we'll start with which Hostinger website builder plan to pick. After that, we'll jump to how to write the best AI prompt for Hostinger website builder. This is the result I got using my simple prompt. After that, we'll jump to how to edit your website inside Hostinger website builder, how to add an announcement bar like this, how to edit your header section, how to edit the rest of your website, how to add an online store, and this is the end result. We'll also see how to create your website logo for free inside Hostinger website builder. After that, we'll see how to create this product, or how to add a product to your website, and in this case it was a booking product. Without any further ado, let's see how to create a website fast using Hostinger AI website builder. After landing on this page or any other page on Hostinger website, go to Services, select Website Builder. Now scroll down to see these two plans. Right now, Hostinger offers premium web hosting, the premium plan and the business plan. From my experience, the premium plan is useless, especially for having an online store using Hostinger website builder. Why? Because here e-commerce features are not available, and with e-commerce feature, I mean you can't add a payment gateway. You can't add Stripe, you can't add PayPal, you can't add even cash on delivery. I will log in one of my Hostinger website to show you that. First, I will verify my subscription. As you can see, this is the plan. It's just premium. So now I will go in one of my online stores using Host Builder and go to settings, payments. As you see, ready to start selling online, you need to upgrade to the business plan in order to be able to add payments. Next to PayPal, if you click on connect, you see this upgrade window. Same thing for Stripe. You need to upgrade to be able to add Stripe payment gateway. So this turns this premium web hosting plan or website builder plan is useless. So your only option you can opt for is the business website builder plan. But at least you will be able to create up to 50 websites, and you will get a free domain with this plan, and of course the 30-day money back guarantee. Let's go with this business plan. Click on choose plan, and here select, in my case I will go with just 12 months, and the subtotal is almost $60. Click on continue. Now I will register for a new Hostinger account. This is my email address, and I will fill in my new password, and this is my new password. Click on register. Now let's fill in my billing address. Click on continue, and now let's jump to the payment method. Here I will pay using my credit card. I will fill in my name on card. After filling your payment method information, click on Submit Payment. Here I filled my bank verification SMS number, and just like that, as you can see, my payment is done. Let's go get started. And as you can see, they automatically sent me to the Hostinger AI website builder. First, log in to your Hostinger account. Then go to websites, click on websites list, and click on this add website button. Select Hostinger website builder. My brand name would be Blade and Brush, and for the description, it should be as simple as possible. For example, I want to build a modern barbershop website where men can easily book haircuts or grooming services. As you can see, this is a great description. After that, click on Create a Website button and wait a moment. And this is the result I got using this simple prompt. This is a basic header. I can still customize it as I want. And the welcoming section is 9 on 10 with a background video. And here, I think this is a booking section with a short review. The grooming services section, a gallery section, another review, and the footer. As you can see, I got all the essential sections. If you are not satisfied with the first result, you can hit this create again button, and the same Hostinger AI website builder window pops up, and you can modify or edit your brand name or your project description and hit create a website again. If you want this way and you got two versions, here you can switch between the first result or the second result. And as you see, you can choose from the last 5 versions. You can also preview your website results on mobile, and you can switch back to the computer. Here you can select a different color palette. I think I will go with this blue color palette, and after that click on this continue button. Now this is your website homepage. Till now your website is not yet available online because you need to click on this go live button. I will click on it now. Let's view my website live. And now my new website is available online on this web address. And to edit this temporary domain, simply go back to the website builder and click on connect domain. If you are like me, you still didn't claim your free domain, just click on get domain, fill in your domain ID here and hit next and follow. In my case, I will keep using this temporary domain. Now let's see how to edit your website in Hostinger Website Builder. The first thing you can add to your new website is an announcement bar. You can add it by clicking on this add sticky bar. You can add your announcement text like that. First time visitors get $5 off, book now. You can edit, let's make it a little bit bold. To edit this announcement section background, just select it like that, and you will see this edit section button. Make sure you click on the corner and not on the announcement section. Click on edit section. I want to edit this background color. I will pick this bright or this yellow color. Now let's close this window. And for this book now checks, later I will link it to my booking page. Now this is the header. Let's see how to edit this header logo. Just click on the header section, then click on edit header, go to the logo tab, click on use AI to create a unique logo. Here I will type my website name, blade and brush, and I will select my text font from here. I think this one is good. Let's check the other text fonts. This one is better. I think this is very nice. I will download it to my computer, unzip it on my computer, double click it to unzip it. And now I will go back, click on replace image, click on upload files, locate my new logo, this is it, and double click it. Click on select, and now I will resize this logo just like that, blade and brush. Now for these settings or this menu, I can edit it from here, edit navigation. The services menu item is good. The booking, I will add it but in a different way. I will delete it from here. Are you sure you want to delete booking? You cannot undo this action. I am here, I am deleting the page. This is not what I want. I want to hide from navigation. So no more booking page. The contact page is also good. So here, after creating our booking product, we will see how to edit this menu item. Now this section, let's say that you want to delete this section, just simply click on it, then hit this delete button like that. To undo an action, simply click on this return arrow and you will get your action back. To edit this section background, click on edit section, and you can select between picking a color for this background, picking an image, or even a video. Unfortunately, videos can only be added from this service or this free video service called Pixels. Here you can look for barber, and let's add this video for example. Select item, and just like that you will change this background, this section background. For text, it's very simple. Just select the text, and here you can edit the text style, the text font size, bold, and so on. You can edit the text color. Now let's say that you want to edit or you want to pick a photo for this background section instead of this video. Click on edit section, select image, click on replace image, go to free images, search for your keyword here, and pick your photo just like that, for example, and you will see your new photo added here. After that, let's say you want to add a new section like that, just between two sections, you will see this add section button. Click on it. You can select between adding a blank section, and then you can add elements to this section, for example a button. You can add a gallery. You can add a map, an Instagram feed, an embed code, a product, an image. I will delete this section, and to delete just an element from a section, select it like that and hit this delete icon. I will undo this action. And everything you want to edit or delete, just click on it. You will see this toolbar with options like edit image, generate image, change image, duplicate, hide or show, to edit the element visibility for mobile and desktop separately, and you can copy it, duplicate it, and so on. And to edit a section height, you can edit it from here. You can make it longer or shorter. And this is how to edit your new website basically. If you still have a question about this, just let me know in the comments below. Now let's see how to add an online store to your new website. Just click here on add store, then click on this add store button. Now you will see this page. Now switch from the website builder to manage store, and now you can set up your store by adding a product, set up a payment method, update your company information, review and set up your shipping. And from here you can see your store orders, create new products on your store, turn on product reviews, manage your appointments if you have an appointment product on your website, create discount codes, manage your categories on your online store, check your online store analytics, and below settings you can edit your store details like the store name, regional settings like currency. You can also update your company information like your logo, your contact and address. You add or remove your payment gateways to start receiving. By the way, if you change to the United States, you will see more payment gateways like dLocalGo, PayPal, Stripe, and manual payments. You can also create a new shipping zone from here. Here you can a little bit edit your checkout settings. And from here you can preview the email messages that you will start sending to your customers or people that do business with your online store. From taxes you can add tax rules, and from invoices you can edit a little bit your invoice design. Now let's see how to add an appointment booking product. Just go to appointments or go to products, my bad. Click on add product. This new window pops up. You can select between creating a physical product, creating a digital product, a service, an appointment, donation, and or gift card. Click on appointment. Let's enable this feature. Here, just give or just upload your images and AI will generate product details for you. These are my product photos. I recommend you to select first the most descriptive photo in order to help the AI create you the best title and description. Now I will upload the rest of the photos. For the title, the AI title, professional haircut service, I will go with book your haircut session. For the subtitle, expert grooming for men, this is good, bestseller. For the description, transform your look with our top tier professional haircut and beard trimming service, this is good. Here you can rewrite, you can use AI to write your description. Again, you can add a photo. Let's upload it from my computer, hit insert, and you can even add a video. But first, let's check out my salon, or yes, make this text bigger. And now let's add a YouTube video from here. This is my YouTube video link, and this is my video. After that, I will set my pricing, original price for 59 and the discounted price for 29. For the additional info sections, I will go with what's included. I will add another info section, and these are the 3 additional info sections. Custom field is not here. You can let your potential customers customize their order. For example, what message would you like engraved on your product? In this case, on this barbershop appointment case, this is not needed. Here, for under categories, the AI suggests a category, for example, grooming services. This is good, so I will select it. You can add multiple categories, but in my case, I will only need one. I recommend you to start using categories to keep your online store easy to manage for later. For under you can show related products below your in your product page or not. Here I prefer to show my related products. You can even edit this section title. I will use the default one. And from this list, you can select to pinpoint your related products or show all available products on your store. Under time and place, here you can set your location. This is my location. And the session duration, you can select between minutes or an hour. In my case, 30 minutes is enough. And under appointment conditions, this is optional. You can set additional time conditions for your appointment. For example, a minimum notice time of 1 day. So people cannot book an appointment on the same day. And under your availability, this is a very important step. Here, click on edit availability. First, set your correct time zone. For example, I will select New York, and here I am open from Monday to Saturday, and I am off for the Sundays. Here, select your opening and closing time, and if you want a 2 time slots, you can edit, or multiple time slots. You can select, let's say, for example, I open at 9 a.m. and I close on 12. And I close on 6 p.m. Now make sure to set your availability correctly. Now click on save. Hit save again. After editing your availability, you can block some days to avoid bookings or on specific days. As you can see, Saturdays and Sundays are not available to block because they are not available earlier. And here, let's say on this Friday, for example, I am not available. Just select a day or multiple days and you can see them below your unavailable dates. Click on save, then save this product. As you see, your changes aren't live yet. You need to publish your site in order for your products changes to go live. To do this, click on or just switch from here to edit website or website builder and hit this update website. Now let's view my website live. Let's go to the store area. This is the product or the appointment I've just created. Let's click on it. And this is your product title, subtitle, original price, discounted price, session duration, the location, book now button, what's included. These are the additional info sections I've added. And this is your product photos. and this is your product description, the text, the photo, and this is the video, and below that you see your related products. Now if you click on this book now button, this calendar window pops up, and let's say I want to pick an appointment on this date. Select the date first, then the time, and you will see here your selected information. Click on book. As you can see, we can't accept online orders right now. This is due to the lack of a payment gateway and a shipping zone or shipping information missing on your online store. To add those two things, just switch to the store area. First, let's add a payment gateway. Click on settings, go to payments. Now I will connect PayPal. Your PayPal should be a business PayPal. It's simple to switch it. Click on next. Log in to your PayPal account. You're all set. Click on return to Hostinger. Now if you see setup not finished, just refresh this page and you will see green enabled next to PayPal. Now since this is a barber shop, I will add this manual payment method, even though it is not required for this tutorial. Click on add. For the payment method name at checkout, I will call it pay with cash at appointment. And for the payment instructions at checkout, these are my instructions. You've chosen to pay with cash. Please bring the exact amount of $29 to your appointment. No change will be provided. Payment is due before or immediately after your haircut. Now click on save. Let's add our shipping information. Below settings, click on shipping, then click on this create zone button. Let's call it international shipping, and below countries, click on add country and click on select all. Hit this save button, and now I will click on edit website. Click on update website to make sure all of these changes are live. Now if I refresh this page, if you click on this book now button, pick a date, time, and hit the book button, you will start the checkout process. Select the header section, click on edit header, click on elements, show logo, show button. This is my button. Click on this edit button link, give your button a new text. For example, in my case, I will go with book your cut. Here I need to select a page. I will select it later because I don't have it right now. And for the fill color, I will select this orange background or fill color. For the text color, I will go with black, and I will make this button text size bigger. And for the border color, I will adjust it like that. And for the corner radius, you can edit the button shape color. Now let's jump to the hover state, and I will keep this hover state. By hover state, it means the state of the button when your mouse cursor is on top of it. This is the normal state and this is the hover state. Now let's see how to create a product page. Just go to pages, click on add page, select new empty page, and now this is our new empty page. Let's add a new section and look for product or online store. This is it. Now select single product like that. Now let's pick the correct product for this page. Click on edit section, and below products click on book your correct product. Now you can edit the page layout like this, for example the text alignment, the gallery placement. I will go with this style. The image ratio, you can select between square, landscape, portrait. I will keep it original. For the style, you can edit the text color from here. I will keep it black. You can edit your section background. You can select between a color, an image, or even a video. I will keep it a color. And for the book now button or the add to back button, you can edit or change the button style from here. I will close this window, click on edit section. This is where we left it. You can edit the book now button size. We'll keep it large. And for the express checkout, this is a new feature. Or before updating this website, I want to I want to edit this menu or this header menu. Click on pages and navigation. Delete the unnecessary. This is an unnecessary page from my website. And for this website, I will just hide it and not delete it. Now let's update my website. Or before updating this website, let's correct this book your cut button link. Click on edit, click on the header section, click on edit header, go to elements, below show button, click on edit button, and here select link to a page from your website and select your page here. I think my new page called a new empty page. You can still edit this name later. Now close this window and update website. Let's view my website live. If I click on this book your cut, I will jump to this product page. After clicking this book now button, I can start or I can buy this service. And this is my Hostinger AI website builder tutorial. We've seen how to create a website fast. In this video, I will share with you how to change your website template in Hostinger Website Builder. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. First, log into your Hostinger account. Then go to Websites. And since Hostinger Website Builder doesn't allow templates, swiping or change after your website is published, so my turnaround around this is first creating a backup of your website. I'm not talking about the official backup here. I'm talking about duplicating your website like that. Website was duplicated successfully. Just refresh this page. Now that you have a backup of your website that you can return to, now you can delete your website from here. Yes, I understand that all data on this website and its subdomains will be lost and can't be recovered. Click on delete. Done. Same thing, refresh this page. Now click on add website. Select Hostinger Website Builder. And now use the template you want to use from here. Click on use pre-made templates. Select your desired template. For this video, I will go with this one. I will use the original template. Click on go live. Now that your website is published with your new template, close this window. I will go back to H panel. Go to websites. Always your newest website is on the top. So this is the backup copy of my old website with the old template, and this is my new website with my desired template that is published. Now just connect your domain to this website. In my case, my domain name is benstutorial.com. Do you own this domain? Yes. Click on next. Domain added to your site. Click on continue. And now this is your new website with your new template using your existing domain name. And this is how to change your website template in Hostinger Website Builder. In this video, I will share with you how to start with a blank page in Hostinger Website Builder. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. First, log in to your Hostinger account. Then go to websites. And next to the website you built using Hostinger Website Builder, click on this Edit Website button. This is my website in Hostinger Website Builder, and to start with a blank page in Hostinger Website Builder, it's simple. Just create a new page. So to create it, go to Pages and Navigation. Then click on Add Page. Then select New Empty Page. Close this and this. Now this is your new page with only the header section and the footer. Now you need to create a new empty section. To do it, click on Add Section. Just hover between the header and the footer. You will see this button. Click on Add Section. Select Add Blank Section. Now you have an empty space. You can even delete the footer or the header. Now to delete the footer, select it with your mouse, click on Edit Section, or not Edit Section, click on this delete icon or this bin. This section will be deleted on all pages. Yes, delete. Now update your website. Now let's view my website live and go to the new page. And as you see, now I have a blank page. I can even delete or hiding this header section by just selecting it like that. Click on this little eye icon and select hide on this page. Here, don't forget to update your website and to publish these changes. Or let's refresh this page directly, and now I have no more elements on this page. And of course I can start adding elements as I want. And this is how to start with a blank page in Hostinger Website Builder. In this video, I will share with you how to add new sections with different types, and also how to add elements to design your pages in Hostinger Website Builder. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. First, log in to your Hostinger account. And next to the website, or next to your website built using Hostinger Website Builder, click on this Edit Website button. Now let's start with how to create a blank section. Between any two sections, you will see this Add section. Click on it. Now you can select your new section type. You can generate a section using AI. You can add a blank section. Let's go with it. This is how to add a blank section in Hostinger Website Builder. Here you can adjust the new section height. Now let's see how to add another types of sections. Let's undo this section and hit this add section button again. You can create a blog section like this. This is a grid of your latest blog posts. You can create an online store section to show all of your store products or a specific single product like this one. Let's undo this action. Click again on add section to see the other remaining section types. You can add an about section, a services section, product categories. You can create a contact form section like this one. Or a subscribe form new section. Say hi to your new subscribers in minutes. Start sending emails. This is a new service from Hostinger. They are promoting it inside here. You can even add a map location new section. You can add testimonials. You can add projects, a resume section, images, a video section. Then replace those videos with your own ones. You can even add an Instagram feed section, social icons like these ones, or a menu, or like a restaurant menu section. This is an FAQ section. This is the footer section. Now let's add a blank section to see how to add new elements in your new blank section. From here, click on this add element icon. Text is the first element you can add. Just drag and drop it anywhere on your new section. This is a title. You can use this element to create section titles and then adjust the section height from here. Let's undo this action. You can even add a button like this one. You can make it bigger, adjust the button size. Click on this edit button to edit the button text. You can select to link to a page of your website, to an external address, a specific section on your website, your email address, phone number, or a file download. Let's pick a page. Now select the page you want to link to. Let's link to this about page. Now let's preview this button. If I click on it, I jump to this about page. Back to the editor, and let's delete this element and add an add to bag button. This is different from the first button. This is an add to bag button. You can link a product to it, connect this button to a product on your online store. Let's add this one. From the general, you can edit this button text, you can edit the button style and also the animation. Here, this add to back button element is useful if you want to create a sales page or a different product page or with a design that you want. The next element is the gallery element. Click to edit this gallery images. Just click on this edit gallery button to select or to edit the gallery settings like the grid type, the items per row, the gap between images, or what happens on after clicking on these gallery images. You can select between nothing or open full screen preview. Here you can even edit this gallery animation. And to edit the gallery photos, click on manage gallery and you can add photos like this. After that, click on this X button or X icon, and your new photo is added here. Let's delete this gallery and add a video. This is how to add a video or a YouTube video to your website. Here, to edit this video, click on, this is the default one. Click on this edit video button and fill in your YouTube link here. This is my YouTube video link, and after pasting it here, as you can see, it was instantly used here. Let's resize this YouTube video. Now let's see how to add a different element. This is a shape. Change shape. You can select between adding different shapes with animations. This shape can be used as a divider, or yes, as section divider. You can use it like that below your section title. Let's preview this, and this is what it looks like live. Go back to the editor, delete it. You can even change this lines or dots color. Let's delete this and add a new element. This is a map element. Here, just click on edit map. Search for your location here, for example, Eiffel Tower, and you will select it and you will see it line here. And then you can resize this map like this. Let's delete this element and add a new one. You can even add an Instagram feed. Here you need to connect your Instagram to start seeing your latest image directly on your website. You can adjust the items or the photos in your feed. Delete, add. The next element is a contact form. Click on edit, and here you need to edit your form fields and also the email notifications. Yes, the email address that will receive email notifications after each submission. And here you can see your submissions list. Delete this element, and here you can use this subscribe element. Click on edit form. This is similar to the previous contact form element. This is a social icons, and the last two is the embed code. If you want to embed an HTML or a CSS code, you can add it here. Click on enter code, fill in your code here, and you will see the results there instantly. And product search. Here you can add this product search element to search your online store products. Click on edit search. You can edit the placeholder text and the no results text. You can edit the title and so on. One thing that I want to share with you, for each added element, you can edit its visibility for mobile and desktop separately. Let's say that this product search field, you want it only to be visible for mobile, for example. Just uncheck this option next to desktop. As you can see, now it's hidden, and it will stay visible only for users or website visitors accessing your website from a mobile. This is yes, I'm sure that this is available for all elements here. Just click on this little icon icon and set your visibility as you want it. And this is how to add sections and elements to design pages in Hostinger Website Builder. In this video, I will share with you how to edit sections on Hostinger Website Builder. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. First, you need to log into your Hostinger account. Then go to Websites. And next to your website built using Hostinger Website Builder, click on Edit Website. This is my website in Hostinger Website Builder, and to edit a section, it's simple. First, you need to select the section you want to edit, just like that. Let's start with the first section on, you can see, is the announcement bar. If you don't have it, just hover between. First, let's delete this section. Click on Add Sticky Bar, and you will see your announcement bar or sticky bar. It's the same thing. I will return to my original one. Just edit or just select the sticky bar with your mouse, and you will see this Edit Section button. When you click on it, you will see this new window pops up. Here, for the sticky bar, you can edit its background by selecting color or image. When you select color, you can edit the section color from here. Let's pick red, yellow, green, blue, etc. You can also, if you go with an image, click on Add Image. You can upload your image from your computer by hitting this Upload Files button, or go with free images. Let's pick this photo, click on Add to Page, and it will be used as the background or the section background photo. You can edit the photo position from here. Now let's go back to the color, and from the layout you can edit the section height from here. That's for the editing the sticky bar section. Now let's see how to edit the header section. Just select it like that, and you will see Edit Header button. Here you can also edit the section visibility from here. You can select Hide on this page. You can hide this header section on all pages, or Show on all pages. You can also edit or you can jump to the navigation. This is not interesting for us. And for the style, you can edit it from here by clicking directly on Edit Style, or by clicking first on Edit Header, then jumping to Style. Now let's start from the beginning. Select the header section, click on Edit Header. The first tab is the layout. Here you can make the header sticky, which means when you scroll, you keep seeing the header section. Let's preview that live. As you see, the header section sticks to the top of the page. Let's disable this option. You can also edit the element spacing or the spacing between elements. Elements of your header are the logo, the navigation, the shopping bag, and your button. You can also edit the spacing between the links or the navigation items. As you see, now they are away from each other. You can also edit the top and the bottom spacing of your header section from here. Here you can edit the order of the order of your header elements. Let's use the logo in the center. Place the navigation items below the logo. And that's all for the layout tab. From the elements tab, you can show or hide your logo. You can show same thing for the social icons. You can show them like that. You can also show this big button or hide it. You can same thing for the shopping cart, this one. Now let's jump to the logo tab. Here you can select between using a photo as your logo or text. Here you can fill in your logo text. For example, this website is called, I forgot the name, Blade and Brush. Blade and Brush. As you see, it was created. You can edit the logo color from here. You can change the text logo text font from here. And you can also edit the logo text size. I will go back to image. You can edit the logo size from here. Now let's jump to the shopping bag. Here you can edit this shopping bag icon. You can edit its icon size. And you can also edit an icon text, for example, cart. You can add this text next to the icon. Now let's go back to the style tab that is also accessible from here. Here you can select between the style of the header, the button, or the social icons. Let's start with the header. Here you can edit the header background. This header background color can be seen when you disable, or yes, when you disable this transparent header option like that. You can start seeing your header background color. In my case, I use a transparent header. And you can also edit the text font of your header and also the text color. Let's go back to the black. That's all for the header section. Now let's see how to edit the other sections of your website. Just select it like that. Same thing. You can edit the visibility from here for mobile and desktop. You can delete a section from here. You can move the section down. Now it was placed the second or up. Now it was the first. And you can also copy a section and paste it elsewhere. You can duplicate it like that. Now I have two sections. Let's return. You can edit the section, and here the first thing is to edit the section background. For this section background, you can pick a color like that. Let's pick this red color. You can go with an image, then you can replace it from using free images or ones uploaded from your computer, or you can even go with a video. Unfortunately, you cannot you cannot upload videos from your computer. You can only use photo or videos provided by Pixels. Here, search for your video from here. For example, sky. Select the video and then hit this select item button, and it will be used as your section background. You can also edit the section overlay opacity. If you have white text, you will need to use or to give it a little bit more opacity. Here you can also fix this background or not. You can edit the section background. Here this position will be visible when you use large images like this one. You can edit the photo position. You can use the top, the center, or the bottom like that. Now let's jump to the layout page. Here, this layout page is not that interesting for us. You can only this snipe to guides, snap to elements. Those features or keep grid visible. All those options or features are talking about when you are moving your section elements. So let's jump to the anchor tab. This anchor tab is very important to understand, because if you give, or let's give this, let's explain this. Let's say we are working on this customer reviews. Click on edit, go to anchor. Here, if you give this section a name, uh, for example, testimonials. When you close this option, now if you have a link anywhere on your website, for example this link, or let's add a new text, let's call it check our testimonials. Select text, give it a link. Here, link to a section, and you can select the testimonials section we just created, or we just name it, and you hit save. Let's update this website. Let's visit it live. When you click on this link, check our testimonials, you will be automatically jumped to this customer, or to this linked section. You will start seeing a smooth scrolling. This is why it is important. Why it is important to understand this anchor tab importance. Now, I think that's all for how to edit the sections on your computer. How to create ones, it's simple. Just hover between two sections. You will see this add section button. Here you can generate your new section using AI. For example, you describe your section. For example, I want to create a contact me section, and you will see a new section with a contact form. You can also create or generate a blank section, this blank one, to start adding elements from here. You can also create a blog section to display your latest blog post. You can display your product or your online store products. You can create sections using, then you can create an about section, a product catalog categories sections, a contact form section, or a map, testimonials, project, a resume, an images section. And of course, you can, anything you select from this list, you will start seeing different templates that you can use. This one is for slideshows. This one is for creating a videos section. Just click on any template and you will see it added on your page. Then you start editing it, as we've said. Here, to edit the element of your section, just double click it like that, and you can edit using this navigation. Same thing for text. For this video element, click on edit video. You can add your video link from here, then edit autoplay, loop, or even show video controls. To delete an element, just select it like that and hit delete. And of course, after finishing your changes, don't forget to hit this save button, or publish those changes online by hitting this update website button. Of course, you can return or undo any action from here. I think that's all for how to edit sections on Hostinger Website Builder. In this video, I will share with you how to create and link new pages in Hostinger Website Builder. Examples of pages that we'll see how to create include this services page, this contact page, and we'll also see how to create a page using Hostinger AI website builder. We'll also see how to create empty page and so on. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. First, log in to your Hostinger account. Then go to websites. Then click on this edit website button next to your website built using Hostinger website builder. Now, to create a new page, just go to pages and navigation. Then click on this add page button. A new window pops up. Here you can select between creating or generating your page using Hostinger AI website builder, creating a new or an empty page, create a blog page like this one, creating an online store page, creating an about or contact page like this one, services, projects, and these legal pages. First, let's generate a page using AI. Now, describe the page you want to create. This is an example of a page description, which is create an about us page for our sustainable Italian restaurant where we craft authentic dishes using only the finest locally sourced ingredients. As you see, this is a great description. You can even see examples of page descriptions. Now hit this create page button, and Hostinger website builder are creating your new page. And this is the page I got using Hostinger AI website builder. The first photo is a little bit off, so I need to change it. I will do it later. Now, this is the second section. The next section with a background photo. And this is the gallery section. This is a review, the location. This is really a good result, except this photo that needs to be replaced. Now let's see how to add a different a different kind of pages. Now you can create an empty page like this one. Then click on add section, add an empty section. You can adjust this empty section height from here. Then you can start adding elements like a button, for example, a video, and so on. Now let's see how to create a different page, for example, a contact page or a services page. Now select your exact template from or page template. Let's pick this one. This is this is a services page. You can edit all these elements manually. Now, when you create a page, you get this either new empty page or the page name depending on the page type you've selected. How to edit this page name or URL? Simply click on pages and navigation, and here under main navigation, click on these three dots next to the page name you want to edit, and here you can rename the page. This is the name in navigation, and this is the page URL. You can even hide this page from showing in this navigation menu, and you can protect this page with a password. To delete a page from your website, same thing. Click on these three dots and click on delete. As you can see here, we are talking about deleting the page from our website. and not just from the navigation menu. Click on delete, and just like that, the page is deleted. Now, how to link to a page from different places on your website. To link to a page from your website header, simply go to pages and navigation and click on add a new, or click on add link, and here give your, for example, let's say that my page called is a booking page. Let's call it booking or book a table. Here select page, and from this list select your page or your desired page from this list. Here from this list includes all of the available pages on your website. Let's link to this services page, and here you can select between opening it in a new tab or not, and also hide the page or not from the navigation menu. In my case, I will not hide it, so click on save, and this is my new. Let's preview my website, and this is my new link in the header of my website. Now let's see how to link to a page from any page of your website using a button. Now click on add elements and select this button element. Customize this as you want, then click on edit button. Below link to, select same thing, select page, and then select your page from here. Let's say this, I want to link to this blog post page, and always don't forget to update or hit this update website button to publish any change you've made. Now let's see how to link to a page on your website from a photo. Same thing, add your photo like that, then select your photo, click on edit image, and then click on action, and below on click select open a link. Now make sure to select page, and then select your page from this list. Now close this window, update your website, and let's view this image, or let's try this image link. When I click on it, it opens my other page. And this is how to create and link new pages in Hostinger Website Builder. In this video, I will share with you how to add pages to the footer in Hostinger Website Builder. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. First, log into your Hostinger account. Then go to websites. Now, next to the website that you want to add pages to the footer section on, click on this edit website button. This is my website in Hostinger Website Builder, and this is its footer section. Now to add pages here, for example, the legal pages like terms and condition and privacy policy pages here, it's simple. Click on elements and drag and drop this text element on your footer section, just like that. Double click this default text. First, let's select a white color to see my text, and now edit the font size, select a small font size. Double click your text again and write your page name, for example, terms and conditions. Double click it again. I want it to be a little bit smaller, for example 12. This is good. Resize this text element like that and place it on your footer. Now our page name text is added. We need to make it clickable. So double click your text and here click on link. Make sure to select page here, and here select your page. For in my case, I will select terms and conditions. Click on save. And now my page is added. Here, instead of adding a new text element, just duplicate it from here. Place it next to it, double click it, and call it privacy policy. And don't forget to edit the link from here. Where is my privacy policy page? This is it. Click on save. Now update your website to publish those new pages on your footer. Let's check my new footer, and these are my new pages in the footer section. And this is how to add pages into the footer section in Hostinger Website Builder. In this video, I will share with you how to hide pages from your navigation menu in Hostinger Website Builder. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. First, log in to your Hostinger account, then go to Websites, and click on this Edit Website button next to your website built using Hostinger Website Builder. This is my website inside Hostinger Website Builder, and this is my current navigation menu. And let's say that I want to hide this reviews menu item from my navigation menu. Just go to Pages and Navigation and scroll down to the item you want to hide from the navigation menu and drag and move it like that below hidden from navigation. As you see, these pages are accessible through search engines and URLs, but do not appear in your navigation here. Now let's also hide this contact page. Drag and move it just like that. Now close this window and don't forget to update your website. Let's view my website live. And as you see, no contact or reviews is still in the navigation menu. And this is how to hide pages from the navigation menu in Hostinger Website Builder. In this video, I will share with you how to edit your website header in Hostinger Website Builder. First, go to or visit hostinger.com, then click on login to log in to your Hostinger account. After that, go to Websites and select Websites list. And next to the website built using Hostinger Website Builder, click on this Edit Website button. And now let's start customizing or editing this website header. First, click on your website header like that, or the header section. Then click on Edit Header button. The first thing you can customize is making your header sticky or not. And by sticky, I mean sticky when scrolling. This is a sticky header. It sticks to the top, and let's uncheck it like that to make it non-sticky. After that, you can edit the element spacing or spacing between these links in your shopping icon. You can also edit the spacing between links just like that. I prefer them close to each other. You can also edit your header top and bottom spacing. Personally, I prefer compact headers. And here you can also edit your header placement or order, or element order. You can make your logo in the center like that. You can make these links close to the logo, or make the logo and the links in the center. Personally, I prefer this centered logo. And from this elements tab, you can show or hide multiple elements like your logo, your social icons, this big button. I recommend you to use this button for driving your website traffic to the most important page of your business. And by business, I mean your website. So let's say that you want to collect your website visitors emails or email addresses. Here you can customize this as, for example, join my newsletter, for example. After that, you can also show or hide your this little shopping bag. This is useful to show it. Personally, I prefer to show my logo, with this big button, and the shopping cart. These social icons are not that interesting for me. My website should have social icons, but not at the top of this website. Now let's go to the logo tab, and from this logo tab, you can select between making your logo. And from this logo tab, you can select between image or text for your logo. You can even use AI to create a unique logo. Let's click on it. This new page opens up. Here, for example, you can create a logo using AI, and here you are using your credits, your Hostinger credits. Personally, I prefer to create my logo myself using simple text. As you can see, Hostinger, which is a big company, is using its company name as in the text format. So this is my website name, handcrafted goods. You can pick a color from here, from this little window. I will go with black. You can also your slogan here. You can add, let's think of a slogan for this website, handcrafted goods. I can to be unique. And for the font family, you can select it from here. Since this is a handcrafted, I'm looking for a text font that is close to handcrafted theme. I think this one is good. Now let's click on download. Let's open, or let's unzip this handcraft. This is a favicon, and this is the logo. And here I will return to the website builder, click on replace image, I hit upload files, and select my logo. Double click it, and just like that it is. Let's click, you need to click on select photo, and you can also adjust your logo width from here. This is the correct if you make your website bigger, this results in a bigger top and bottom spacing. Let's return to the first or to the layout page. I can still customize it or make it a little bit bigger. That's all for the logo tab. Let's jump to the shopping bag tab. Here you can shopping, or let's call it cart, or view cart, and you can also select or edit your icon size. I think small is good. Now let's jump to the style tab, and from this style you can edit the style of the header. For example, the header background, let's pick this, let's keep it white. You can also go with transparent header, but this most of the time transparent header does not give a good user experience. You can also edit the text font from here. Let's go with Oswald regular. As you can see, the links text font follows your selected. Let's go with this Noto Sans TC. You can also edit the text color from here. I want to go, you can select white, and for the header background you can select black, and just like that you can edit the contrast of your header. My bad. I've made a mistake and I've returned to the start of my editing. So I will quickly redo my editing. Now let's edit the style of just this bigger button. Here you can edit the button text, for example, join my newsletter. You can link to a page of your website, just select it from here, or use a web address, for example, for external pages, or even a link to your page. You can even link to a phone number, file download, or email address. You can select between opening this link in a new tab or not. For no follow, this is an SEO settings. To keep your backlink juice, it is better to go with make this link no follow. For the button background color or the fill color, you can edit it from here. Let's go with I think the orange color gives trust to your business. I think, I'm not sure. This is why the buy now button on Amazon use this orange color. The text color, since I went with the orange color, so this text I will go with black. You can also edit the text size. You can edit the border, the button border color. I will keep it white and adjust the button border width. Corner radius, you can edit the corners shape of your button. I think I will follow the Amazon shape. And now this is for the normal state. If you want to edit the color that shows when you hover with your mouse over the button, switch from normal to hover. And now edit the button color. I think I will go with a slightly different orange button. As you can see, now it is good. I will also edit the text color, keep it black like that. This is good. And for the border, I will keep it the same. Now I think that's all for this header section. If you want to also edit this top bar section, this one is simple. Just double click on this text and you can fill in your text by typing on your keyboard, and here you can edit your text color, your text size, your text font. You can even upload a font from your computer. The font size, you can make it, 20%, let's make it bold, just like that. You can make it italic, underline it, and so on. You can even add a link to this announcement. And to edit this top bar or announcement bar background, instead of selecting the text section, click on the side right here. You will see this editing section. You can even hide this or edit this section or this announcements bar visibility for mobile or for just the desktop. I will keep it visible for both mobile and desktop. You can delete it from here, but in my case I want to delete the background color. I will select this yellow color. You can even use an image, but I will go with a color. And for the layout, you can edit this announcement bar height. Let's update my website and see these changes live. This is my new section, the announcement bar, the centered logo, the links, the view cart button and text, and this big button newsletter. And this is how to edit your website header in Hostinger Website Builder. In this video, I will share with you how to add a button in the header in Hostinger website builder. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. First, log into your Hostinger account. Then go to websites. And next to the website, you want to add the button in its header. Click on this edit website button. This is my website in Hostinger website builder, and to add a button in this header section, it's simple. Just select the header or click on the header with your mouse, then click on edit header, go to the elements tab, and next to show button, enable this option like that. As you see, a button, it was added here. When you enable this option, it shows up. Now click on this edit button, and here you can edit the button text. For example, sign up to my newsletter. Here you can link this button to a page or to an existing page on your website, to an external address, to a specific section on any page of your website, to an email address, or even to a phone number or file download. For this page, for this video, I will link it to a page on my website, and let's select a page on my website. For example, this contact page. Here you can select between opening this button link in a new tab or not. Now let's edit this button design for the normal stage, which means this one. And when you click on hover, it means when the mouse cursor is on top of the button, this is its design. Let's start with the normal stage. I will select, for example, this orange color or this yellow color. Let's keep it orange. You can also adjust the button size, not the button size, the button text size, which makes the button bigger or smaller. Let's add a border, or let's pick a border color, for example, a darker yellow color. You can adjust the button border width from here, also the corner radius or the corner design. Now let's edit the hover stage, which means when my cursor is on top of the button. Before that, I forgot to edit the text color on the normal stage. I want it to be black. Now it shows up better. And let's edit the fill color on the hover stage to a little bit darker. Not this color. I think now it's good. The text color, I want to keep it black, and the border color also black, so it switched to this design. I think that's all for this button design editing. Close this window. Don't forget to update your website, and let's view my website live. This is my new button in the Hostinger, and as you can see, when I hover with my mouse over it, it slightly changes its design. If I click on it, I jump to my selected page. And this is how to add a button in the header in Hostinger website builder. Welcome to dotcom.builders. In this video, I will share with you how to add text in the header section in Hostinger website builder. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. First, log into your Hostinger account. Then go to websites. And next to the website that you want to add text in the header section click on this edit website button. This is my website in Hostinger Website Builder, and if I try to add my text element directly here in the header section, it won't be accepted. Also, if I try to move this existing text element here, there is no way to add your text in the header section. But I thought of a little turnaround to bypass this, which is trying to add a button element to the header and design this button or change this button color in order to look like a text element. So first, or to show you how to add this button first, step 1, select the header section with your mouse, click on edit header, go to the elements tab, and next to show button, enable this option. As you see, a new button was added to my header section. Now click, or below show button, click on edit button. The first thing, I will remove this black background color. So make sure to select button from this list. Or before designing this button, let's put our text, for example, your text here. And after that, jump to the fill color, and instead of using a white color, I recommend you to use a transparent color. Now jump to the text color, and I will use black to start seeing my text again. I will return to the same window, which is this one. As you see, my text started showing correctly. Now, if I place my mouse cursor on top of it, I see this black fill color. To remove it, jump from normal to hover. Now, edit the fill color again, transparent, instead of using a white or black color or any color. And for the text color, I will return it, or I will select black to start showing. Now, if I place my mouse cursor here, there is no second design to show. Now, to edit this text size, simply go back to the normal state and use the slider below text size. And now my text is a little bit bigger. Now let's close this, update my website to publish this new text in the header, and let's view my website live. Before we continue, I want to let you know that you can get access to my Hostinger Website Builder Masterclass online course today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with Hostinger, templates and branding, editing page content, menus and navigation, advanced layout features, contact and communication, e-commerce setup, blogging, SEO, analytics, and site management. To get access to all of this today for free, plus my other online courses about Hostinger web hosting or Hostinger Horizons, just visit this page academy.dotcom.builders and you will see how to join and get all of this today for free. Without any further ado, let's continue our video. Let's view my website live. And this is my new text in the header section. And as you see, even if I click on it, nothing happened, even though this is a button element. Why? Because I didn't select a link to this button here. Where is it? Link to? I've left this field empty. And this is how to add text in the header section in Hostinger Website Builder. Welcome to dotcom Builders. In this video, I will share with you how to change the header color in Hostinger Website Builder. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. First, log in to your Hostinger account. Then go to websites. And next to the website you want to change the header color for, click on this edit website button. This is my website in Hostinger Website Builder, and this is the header section. To change its color, it's simple. Just click on it first, then click on this edit style icon. And from here, next to header background, click on this little circle. And from this list, you can pick a different color for your header. You can use this slider to pick other colors. Let's go with this blue color. Now close this window and don't forget to update your website to publish these changes. Let's view my website live. And this is how to change the header color in Hostinger Website Builder. In this video, we'll see how to make your header transparent in Hostinger Website Builder. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. First, log in to your Hostinger account. Then go to Websites. And next to the website you want to make its header transparent, click on Edit Website button. This is my website built using Hostinger Website Builder, and before making this header, this website header transparent, let's give this website a visit. As you see, this website header background is white. Now, to make it transparent, it's simple. Just select the header section and click on Edit Style. And next to transparent header, check this box and close this window. Update your website to publish this change live. Click on View Site, and now this is how to make your header transparent. As you see, since this section background photo is dark, let's change this section background photo to make this transparent header easy to see. Click on this section, click on Edit Section, and now instead of a photo, I will go with a color. Let's pick a white or a slightly white, or let's go with a photo, free images. Let's pick this image, click on Add to Photo, and update your website. Let's view my website live, and now my transparent header started looking cool. And this is how to make your website header transparent in Hostinger Website Builder. In this video, I will share with you how to create a multi-level drop-down menu in Hostinger Website Builder. This is the example of the drop-down menu that we'll see how to create. As you see, just hovering over contact, I see team and booking. How to do it? It's simple. Just log into your Hostinger account. Then go to websites. Then next to your website, click on Edit Website button. And now from this website builder page, go to Pages and Navigation and start multi-leveling your navigation menu. Let's say, for example, I want this booking page to show up below contact. I will drag and move it like that, not under it like that, but a little bit to the right side like that. Let's add this team navigation menu below booking. If you have difficulties moving it to the right, just move it a little bit to the side, just like that. And now close this window and don't forget to update your website. Let's view my website live. And now under contact, I have the contacts, the second contact page, booking and team. And this is how to create a multi-level drop-down menu in Hostinger website builder. In this video, I will share with you how to change your website colors in Hostinger website builder. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. First, log into your Hostinger account. Then go to websites. And next to the website that you want to change colors for, click on this edit website button. This is my website in Hostinger website builder, and to edit this website colors, it's simple. Just go to styles, and from here you can change the color. Let's pick as you see now this color is changed. Wherever it was used the white, now it uses this, I think, brown color. To undo this action, just remember the before or the default code color from here, and you can use this square to pick the color, or copy and paste this code. Let's pick. Now this is how to change. Let's say you want to change this green color for all the buttons. Just go here, click on, let's use this yellow, my bad. Let's select this yellow color, click on accept. Just like that, all buttons use your selected colors. I forgot to copy the original green color code, but I will try to return to it just like this. Now let's see how to change the color for your website in Hostinger website builder without affecting all your website. For example, this header section, just click on it, go directly to style, and from here you can change the header background color. Now we are applying this, for example, this gray color only for the header, not for the other sections. Let's pick this yellow, for example. Now let's see how to edit the color for this section. Same things, select this section, click on edit section. From the background, make sure to select color, and next to section color you can use, or you can change the section color. Now let's see how to change the color for this button. For example, just select the form, click on edit form, go to style, and here yes, where is the button? Now we are editing the form fields. We need to jump to the button tab and click on change button styles, and now we can edit the button fill color, for example this red, and as you see only this selected button color was changed, not this other one. And this is how to change website colors in Hostinger website builder. Welcome to dotcom.builders. In this video, I will share with you how to add or change your logo in Hostinger website builder. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. First, log into your Hostinger account. Then go to websites. And next to the website you want to add or change the logo on, click on this edit website button. This is my website in Hostinger website builder, and first let's see how to add a logo to your website in Hostinger website builder. As you see, this is the header section and there is no logo to select. So click on edit. First select the header section, click on edit header, go to the elements tab, and next to show logo, enable this option. just like that. As you see, the default logo was added automatically. Now let's see how to change your logo in Hostinger website builder. First, select your logo like that, and you will automatically see this header settings window pops up. Here, instead of, you can replace or change your logo by a logo design that is on your computer. So just click on replace image, then click on upload files, and then double click your logo. In my case, I don't have a logo, so I will use this photo for example. Double click it, and it will be uploaded to your library. Now to use it, click on select, and just like that, your logo design will be uploaded from your computer. You can adjust the logo size using this logo width slider. And after that, let's see how to change your logo design. I will undo this action in order to get back my old logo. Now let's see how to change your logo in Hostinger website builder. Same thing. Select your logo like that. This header settings window will pops up. Now instead of clicking on replace image, click on use AI to create a unique logo. And on this page, make sure to select create yourself instead of create with AI. Now fill in your, for example, your website name. In my case, Explore France, or let's go with Ben's tutorial. Here you can add your slogan. In my case, I don't like a slogan below my website name, so I will delete it. First, for your name and logo text color, you can pick them from here. I will go with the black. Here you can select a font family from this very long list of fonts, or go with these recommended fonts. When you click on a font, you see a preview here. There are many styles that you can select from. Just keep. I like this text font. There are professional. I forgot this is a minimalistic text font, but my preferred one is, I think this is it. No, it's not this one. This is it. After you create your logo, just click on this download button. And as you see, my logo was downloaded in a compressed file. Let's decompress it first. Now return to the first tab of Hostinger website builder. Before we continue, I want to let you know that you can get access to my Hostinger website builder masterclass online course today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with Hostinger, templates and branding, editing page content, menus and navigation, advanced layout features, contact and communication, e-commerce setup, blogging, SEO, analytics, and site management. To get access to all of this today for free, plus my other online courses about Hostinger web hosting or Hostinger Horizons, just visit this page academy.dotcom.builders and you will see how to join and get all of this today for free. Without any further ado, let's continue our video. Now return to the first tab of Hostinger website builder. Click on replace image, upload files. This is my decompressed logo, and this is my logo. Double click it, and it will start uploading to your library. Click on select, and just like that, your new logo is started being used, and you can adjust its size from using this slider. Now don't forget to update your website, and let's view my website live. And this is how to add or change your logo on Hostinger website builder. In this video, I will share with you how to set up a favicon like this one for your website in Hostinger Website Builder. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. First, log into your Hostinger account. Then go to websites. And next to the website you want to set up a favicon for, click on this edit website button. This is my website in Hostinger Website Builder, and to add a favicon for it, simply click on these three dots or more settings, select General Settings, and click on Favicon. As you see, click on Add Image, but before that, I don't have a favicon yet, so how to make it? I recommend you using this simple website called favicon.io. Visit it, click on Generator. Here, fill in, for example, the first word of your website name. In my case, it's Ben's tutorial, so I will go with B. Here, you can select your background design from square, circle, or rounded. You can preview. You can see a preview of your favicon here. Here, you can select this favicon text font family. Let's try random font. I think this is good, so I will jump to favicon variant for font size. I think this font size is good. Here, select your text color. Since my website is black, I think I will use black for the text, and for this website I think I will use this. I think it's I think this website. And you can also preview your favicon here in the Google Chrome tab. Let's go with circle. I think the rounded is good. Now, after selecting your font color and background color, click on download. A compressed file is downloaded to your computer. Click on it to decompress it. Now, head back to Hostinger Website Builder and click on Add In. Click on Upload Files. Locate your favicon. I will use the biggest one, 512. Double click it to upload it and click on Select. Now that the favicon is uploaded successfully, don't forget to hit this Save Changes button and close this one and update your website to publish these changes live. Click on View Site and your website starts showing your favicon. And this is how to set up a favicon for your website in Hostinger Website Builder. In this video, I will share with you how to use custom text fonts in Hostinger Website Builder. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. First, log into your Hostinger account. Then go to Websites. And next to your website built using Hostinger Website Builder, click on this Edit Website button. This is my website in Hostinger Website Builder. And to upload a custom font to this website, it's simple. Just select a piece of text on your website, then go to Font, and below my fonts, click on Upload. But before that, we need to download or save our font to our computer, on our computer. I recommend you using this website called dotcom. Here, select or search for your text. Search for a text font. Let's use this dot matrix font. Click on this download button. Let's decompress our downloaded file. Now go back to Hostinger Website Builder, click on Upload, locate your file, double click it. That's our text font is uploaded successfully, and I can select it from this list. Select it like that, and now my new font is added. Let's update my website, then view website live, and this is my new font. And this is how to use custom text font in Hostinger Website Builder. In this video, I will share with you how to add an image to the hero section in Hostinger Website Builder. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. First, log into your Hostinger account. Then go to websites. And next to the website, you want to add the image or an image in the hero section. Click on this edit website button. This is my website in Hostinger Website Builder. And first, let's create a hero section. Click on add section, blank section. Now select this section, click on edit section. And from the background tab, make sure to select image and not color. Then click on add image. You can upload your image from your computer or go with free images. I've searched using background to get background images. I think I will go with this image. Click on add to I didn't like this image. Let's test this image. Click on add to page, and just like that, it was used for the hero section. Now before adding the elements, I want to make sure this header section transparent. So select it with your mouse, click on edit header, and from the layout, where is transparent? Style, yes, go to style, make the header transparent, just like that. And I think since my header elements are black, this image or this hero image should be a little bit white or whiter. I've searched for white backgrounds, and these are the white backgrounds I can go with. Click on add page. And just like that, I've adjusted the header or the hero section image. I think that's all for this tutorial. Let's update my website to view it live. And just like that, I've updated the hero section image in Hostinger Website Builder. In this video, I will share with you how to set a video background in a section in Hostinger Website Builder. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. First, log in to your Hostinger account. Then go to websites. And next to your website built using Hostinger Website Builder, click on edit website. This is my website in Hostinger Website Builder, and let's say that for this section or this welcoming section, I want to set it or I want to edit its background to use a video instead of a photo. Select the interesting section like that, click on edit section, make sure you are in the background tab, and instead of going with an image or a color, click on a video. And here, this is my old video. First thing you can do is to replace or to select your video. Click on replace video. All of those images are videos provided by the server called pixels.com. Let's search, for example, for a nature video. click on your video. For example, let's preview this one. You can go back to the list, see this video, check this video. I think I prefer this video. Click on select item, and your video is used as the background for this section. Don't forget to, or before that, below, after you selecting your video, you can edit the overlay opacity over your video. You can also go with a fixed background or not. And for the position, if depending on your video, you can use these position icons to select which part of video to show. After that, close this window and don't forget to update your website. Now let's view my website live. And this is how to set a video background for a section in Hostinger Website Builder. In this video, I will share with you how to create a blog in Hostinger Website Builder. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. First, log in to your Hostinger account. Then go to Websites. And next to your website built using Hostinger Website Builder, click on this Edit Website button. This is my website in Hostinger Website Builder. And to create your blog, simply click on these three dots or more settings. This window pops up. Show or look at the top, you will see a blog. Click on it. And now click on this Start a Blog button. And just like that, your new blog will appear in your navigation menu. And this is your blog homepage where you will find your latest blog posts. Hostinger automatically creates these 4 blog posts for your blog or for your site. And now, first thing, let's update my website. To not lose these changes, click on View Site. And now just click on Blog, and you will see your blog section in Hostinger Website Builder. Now, how to delete these automatically added blog posts? It's simple. Just go back to your website builder and click on More Settings and click on Blog. And here from this list, you will see a list of all available blog posts on your website. Here from this tab, you can see the ones in the draft, the scheduled blog posts, and also the published ones. Now, if you want to delete one of these blog posts, click on these 3 dots and select Delete. Deleted blog posts are no longer available and will be permanently deleted. Yes, click on Delete. And just like that, it was deleted from published. And to create a new blog post in your new blog, just click on this Add New Post button. You can use AI to write your article or create it yourself. Let's create it myself. Click on Skip. I'll write it myself. This is your new blog post. Now to type your new blog post title, yes, click on Post Settings, and here you can fill in your post title, your post description, which will show up here under or below your blog post title. You can also edit your blog post URL, the authors, the post date, and also you can schedule it from here to be published later. Close this window, discard changes, yes. And here you can delete this photo like that. And you can start writing your article. Now to write your article, just select this text element and click on Edit Text. Click on Delete, and then hit Enter. And as you see, now I can write my blog post here. And to add an image, it's simple. Just let's say that I will delete these empty lines. And now to add a page, click on add element, then drag and drop this image element just like that. Now to edit or to replace this image, select it with your mouse and click on edit image. This new window pops up, click on replace image, and you can get your image uploaded from your computer, free images by pixels, or using your already available photos in your media library. After finishing writing your article to publish it, it is not simple. Here, instead of updating your website, you need to first change the status, yes, the blog post status from draft to public. And after that, click on update website. Now let's view my new blog post. Let's go to blog, and this should be my added article. And this is how to create a blog in Hostinger Website Builder. In this video, I will share with you how to publish your first blog posts or article in Hostinger Website Builder. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. First, log into your Hostinger account. Then go to websites. And next to the website you want to publish your first blog post on, click on this edit website button. This is my website in Hostinger Website Builder, and to publish my first blog post or article, first I need to have a blog enabled on this website. So go to more, click on blog, then hit this start a blog button. Now you have a blog section on your website, or you've enabled your blog on your website. As you see, when you have an enabled blog, you will start having this blog icon here. Click on it. Here you will see these 4 default Hostinger blog posts. You can delete them from here because they are empty. And to publish your first blog post or article on in Hostinger Website Builder, just click on this add new post button. You can create or write your blog post using AI, or write it yourself. I will write it myself. Now this is your starting blog post. You can edit your blog post title from the post settings. Click on it. This new window pops up. Here you can fill in your blog post title. Here your blog post description. You can also edit your blog post link or URL from here. Insert your author name, your publishing date, and if you want to schedule publishing this blog post article, you can enable this option here and pick a date, for example after 7 days and so on. I will publish it immediately. Click on save. This is your new blog post title, description, author, your publishing date, and the reading time. To show or hide those elements, just click on edit blog header, and from here you can start hiding the post header element. For example, let's say you want to hide the publishing date, just hide it from here. As you see, when I click on this little eye icon, this date disappears. Same thing for the reading time. Now to start writing your blog post, let's say you want to start with this image. Click on edit image, replace image. Here you can use free images or upload an image from your computer. Let's use a free image. Just search for your topic here and select an image. For example, let's go with this image, and just like that you have your new image. And to start writing, just double click this text element, like that, and you can keep writing your elements. If let's say you want to add an image between or after or below this text element, just adjust this section height like that and click on this plus icon or elements and drag and drop this image element like that. Then you can place it below your text, then add a new text element below it. Double click this text, and from here you can select a smaller text size, a bigger one. You can make your text bold, italic, underline it, strike through. Also add a link. You can link to your page on your website, to an external web address, to a specific section on your website, email address, phone number, and also file download. And to publish your first blog post, clicking on this update website is not enough. First, you need to switch the blog post or article status from draft to publish it or to public, and then click on update website. One thing I didn't mention it is how to categorize your first blog post and also edit your featured image. Click on post settings and jump to featured image. From here you can use different, for example, you can replace this image. Let's use this image, for example. Click on save, but before that I want to use or to categorize this article. Click on select categories, then add new category, name it, for example, first category. Click on this check mark, then save. Now let's update my website to publish these new changes, and let's view my website live. This is my home page. Let's go to the blog section, and this is my new blog post. This is the title, the description, the author, also the publishing date, and so on. My feature, this is not my featured image. This is my first photo, and this is my blog post content, added image, added text element. And this is how to publish your first blog post or article in Hostinger Website Builder. In this video, I will share with you how to show the latest blog posts on your website homepage in Hostinger Website Builder. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. First, log into your Hostinger account. Then go to websites. And next to your website where you want to show the latest blog post on, click on this edit website button. This is my website homepage in Hostinger Website Builder, and to show the latest blog posts on, it's simple. Just hover between two sections in order to see this button called Add Section. Click on it. This new window pops up. Here, select blog from this menu. These are the latest or the blog section templates that you can choose from. Let's select this third one. After clicking on it, you will see, or it will be automatically added between your two sections, creating a new blog post section. After adding this blog post section, click on update website to publish this change. Let's view my website live, and these are my latest blog posts on my website homepage. Let's open this blog post. This is it, and this is the homepage. Now let's see how to edit this blog post section. Select it like that. Click on edit blog list. Here you can show how many posts you can show per page. You can also edit the number of columns. This makes your blog post images look bigger. Also, the gap between the columns, top and bottom padding of this section. From style, you can select a dark or light text colors. This depends on your section background. You can also edit the blog post titles text size, and here you can show or hide your blog post elements. For example, title, featured image, description, date published, post categories, and also the author, and this reading time, this one. From the posts page, you can only show some posts. Select which categories you would like to show posts from. Here I don't have post categories or blog post categories on this online store or on this website, so I can't use this feature. Let's jump to the background. Here you can edit this background or this section background color. You can even use an image as this section background or even a video. And this is how to show the latest blog posts on the homepage in Hostinger. In this video, I will share with you how to add social media icons to your website in Hostinger Website Builder. We'll see how to add these icons in the header of your website like this, in the middle of your website page like this, or in the footer of your website like this. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. First, log in to your Hostinger account. Then go to websites, make sure to select websites list and click on this edit website button next to your website built using Hostinger Website Builder. In this video, we'll start with how to add social media icons in the header section of your website, on the sections below the header, and also how to add them in the footer here at the bottom of your website. So let's start with the first part. First, select the header section like that. Then click on Edit Header. Go to the Elements tab. And next to Show Social Icons, check this box. As you can see, they are instantly showed here. Now click on Edit Social Icons. And you can edit your, as you can see, they automatically add Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, and X. Now you can, let's say you don't use LinkedIn, so you can simply delete it from here. Just click on this little settings icon and select delete. Now to edit or to fill in your social media icons, links, click on the same settings icon and select edit. Now fill in your social media handle here. Click on this little check icon and do the same for the rest of the social media platforms. You can also reorder the, yes, you can also edit the order of these icons just by dragging and moving them here. After, you can also add a social media platform that does not exist here. For example, let's say youtube.com/dotcom.builders. Click on this check, and as you can see, it was automatically added at the bottom with the correct social media icon. Now you can also adjust the icon's size like that using the slider. this is bigger and this is a little bit smaller. And you can also pick a different icon color. Let's use this red color or go with, I think the red is, or let's skip it, black. Now close this window, and after every change, don't forget to update your website to see your changes live. Let's create a blank section. Let's duplicate it from here. Let's adjust this first section. I will add a title, and I will call it follow us on two dots. And here I will add, now how to add social media icons in the middle of your page. It's simple, just click on this add element. Let's close this window, click on add element, and here look for the social icons element, drag and move it just like that. Click on edit social icons, and same thing, you can edit, delete, or add a social media platform. After that, jump to the style tab, and you can edit the icons size like that. You can also edit the icon color when the cursor or the mouse cursor is on top of the icons. Let's preview this stage, or the hover, it's called the hover stage. As you can see, when the mouse cursor is on top of the icon, an icon, it changes to this red. Go back to the editor, return to the social media icons, select them, edit social icons, and after style, jump to the layout tab. You can display the icons vertically or horizontally. Now you can also add an animation like this one, this fade one, this slide one, or this scale one. I think the scale is better. After the, or instead of using two, let's delete this. I think this is better. Now let's use, or let's edit this section, background color, and I think now it is better. After scrolling, you see this white background, this section with a white background, with a white background and black text and social media icons. Now let's see how to add these social media icons in the footer of your website. Same thing, click on add elements, then select the social icons element and drag and move it where you want in the footer. Now click on editing. I will edit the size, the icons size. I will make them white because the background is dark. And now one thing we didn't see is that you can edit the visibility of these icons depending on the user or the website visitor device. You can hide them on desktop and show them only for mobile, or the opposite. You can, now they are hidden for mobile and only visible for website visitors using computer. After adding your social icons, remember to click on this update website button to view your website live. Now let's preview my website instead of seeing it live, because I've just edited the subdomain or the domain name of this website. It's the same thing, the preview on the live, it's the same thing. As you can see, this is my Facebook icon with the selected link, and this is the other links. This is the little section with social icons I've added, and this is the icons, or the icons in the footer of my website. And this is how to add social media icons in Hostinger website builder. Welcome to dotcom builders. In this video I will share with you how to add a contact us page like this one in Hostinger website builder. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. First, log into your Hostinger account. Then go to websites, and next to the website you want to add a contact page on, click on this edit website button. This is my website in Hostinger website builder, and to create or to add a contact us page, go to pages and navigation, click on it, and click on this add website button. And from this menu, select contact. You will see two contact us page templates. Select the one that you like. This one comes with a contact us form, and this without the contact form. Let's go with the contact us form one. Click on it. You will see, you will directly land on it and start editing your contact us page. Now let's edit this contact form. Select it first, then click on edit form, and here you can edit the form name. You can, for example, you can name it contact form on my website, or just on website name. In my case, benstutorial.com. Click on save. In the email, fill in your email address where you will receive email notifications for submissions. And here you can see the messages that your website visitors left for you or sent to you. And from the fields tab, you can edit the fields you want to show on your contact form. For example, I don't want to receive last name. I will delete it like that. Same thing for the name, the message fields. And if you want to add a new field, click on this plus icon, and you can add a short answer. Before we continue, I want to let you know that you can get access to my Hostinger website builder masterclass online course today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with Hostinger, templates and branding, editing page content, menus and navigation, advanced layout features, contact and communication, e-commerce setup, blogging, SEO, analytics, and site management. To get access to all of this today for free, plus my other online courses about Hostinger web hosting or Hostinger Horizons, just visit this page academy.dotcom.builders, and you will see how to join and get all of this today for free. Without any further ado, let's continue our video. And you can add a short answer like this field. This is suitable for first name and last name. You can add a paragraph. This one works good for the message field. And a single choice, for example, if you want to offer multiple choices, for example, if you are a member of my website or not, or something like that. And you can add multiple choices, like for example, I am a member and I paid something on multiple choices, where people can select option 1 and also option 2. Let's delete these new fields. And to make a field required, open it like that. Let's say for the email field you want it to be required, and next to open it first, and next to field is required, check this box. And for the button, you can edit this button text from here, and what or the action that will happen after a successful form submission. You can select between showing a message, you can edit it, or send your page, or you send the person that contacts you to a different page. You can select it from here. You can only link or send visitors to a page of your website, not an external page. And to edit the style of this button, click on change button style. You can edit the button color from here. You can also edit the button or the button text color. You can edit the button size, the border width, the corner of the button, and so on. And from the submission, from the animation tab, you can add an animation to this form. For example, scale, this slide effect, this fade, or no animation. After that, you can start, just double click this text and write your own email address, phone number, address, opening hours. Here for this Google map, just click on this map element, click on edit map. Here search for your your business address, for example Eiffel Tower. You will see it just like that. Same thing, you can add an animation to this map element or no animation, and here you can edit or you can replace this image from here. Click on replace image, or delete this element completely like that. You can place this one centered, for example, and here you can add the social links. Click on these social elements, click on edit social icons, and next to each social platform you can edit the link from here or delete it completely just like that. And after that you can reorder these just like that. And for the social media social icons color, you can edit it from here. Icon color, you can pick red, any color you want. After that, don't forget to update your website to publish this contact us page. Let's view this website or this new page. Your page will be added automatically in the navigation menu. Let's click on it, and this is my new contact us page. This is the contact form. This is the business information like email, address, and opening hours. And this is my business Google Map. And these are the social links. And this is how to add a contact us page in Hostinger Website Builder. In this video, I will share with you how to connect your domain name to your website in Hostinger Website Builder. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. First, log in to your Hostinger account. Then go to websites and click on websites list. Now, this is the website built using Hostinger Website Builder that I will connect my domain to. First, let's open it. As you can see, this is the temporary web address. So now click on edit website. Then click on connect domain. Click on this change domain button. In this domain name field, fill in your domain name. This domain name is registered with Hostinger. In your case, if your domain name is existing or registered with a different domain or domains company, just fill it here, and you will see here that your domain is already registered. It's not a big deal. Just fill it here, click on it on this list, just like that. In my case, this domain is already registered and also connected to a site, which is true. So now after that, click on next. Connecting your domain name to your new site means that your old site will be moved to a temporary web address. This is specific to me because this domain name is really registered to a different website on Hostinger. Check the box before I understand and hit confirm. Domain added to your site. So this is just the first part or the part from Hostinger website builder end. Now the second and last part is going to the domain name registrar or where your domain name is registered and tell them that you use Hostinger website builder. How to do this? Just log into your domain company provider. In my case, it's also Hostinger. So I will log into each panel. In your case, it may be GoDaddy, Bluehost, or any other website provider. Just same thing, go to the domains portfolio and next to your domain name, click on manage and just look for something called DNS or name servers. It's the same thing. Click on it. As you can see, my domain name is connected to Bluehost. So both ends requires to know the other end. In my case, Hostinger website builder should tell Hostinger domain name provider that they use their domain name, and also the Hostinger domain provider should tell where to redirect your website visitors. And using these name servers or name servers are the domain provider way to tell them where to go. So here I will click on change name servers and I will fill in the Hostinger's website builder name servers, which are, I will look for them, name servers. This is the first name server. Fill it here. Here I can use Hostinger name servers and I will get those, or I will use those two name servers. But I want to show you how to edit this manually. In the case if your domain name is not registered on Hostinger, so you need to fill them manually, just like that. This is the first name server, and this is the second. You can fill them manually. Just write ns1.dns-parking.com for the first name server and ns2 for the, and continue, then ns2.dns-parking.com for the second name server. This way you tell your domain name provider where to direct your website traffic. As you see, it may take up to 24 hours for the domain to propagate to the new name server. This means that after updating your name servers on your domain name provider account, wait up to 48 hours. Sometimes it takes only 3 minutes, sometimes 1 hour, sometimes it can take up to 48 hours. So here, just be patient. Now that we've configured both ends, the domain name provider end and also the website builder, yes, Hostinger website builder end, we can check if everything went well. As you can see, now automatically my domain name registered on Hostinger there, or redirects me to my website built using Hostinger website builder. And this is how to connect your domain to Hostinger website builder.